Dr. Singh, what key questions should I be asking when looking around for a dental implant?
What you're really after is the solution. I think many patients don't know what they should be asking, so not knowing enough about implants, they might say, well, let me just find out how much it costs and see if I can make a judgment based on that. But there's much more to it than that. You can have a cheaper implant that's not well designed or is not suitable for the load that's being placed on it afterwards, and then it fails, and then nobody's happy, and you've got to go back and possibly graft bone into that area and maybe put a new implant in, etc. So it becomes extremely expensive in the long term. So short-term fix, cheapest is not always cheapest, as in many things. And so it's really important that you research it properly and you make sure you understand what the final demands are of that implant, and then what you should do to maximize your chances of success.